This is code.org, and we are after the constructor. Oh, wow, we're jumping right in. After the constructor, write the method signature for turn right method. Ooh, all right. So, guys, for this, keep in mind you need to have the Painter Plus class. If you don't have that, you got to go do the last lesson, right? You should have this file. So, we're going to write a constructor for turn right. Let's see what details they give us. Some, all right. And then inside turn right method, write the code to make Painter Plus object turn right. Shocking. All right. So, how can we turn right? We know that the object can already turn left. I'm going to start by testing my stuff right here, because then I can immediately see what's going on. So honestly, I'm going to do my Painter Plus, and since we know Painter Plus inherits everything the Painter can do, everything the Painter can do, Painter Plus can do. And again, guys, that's Painter Plus extends Painter. And then our constructor says Painter Plus super. So when we run the constructor, when I say new Painter Plus, this chunk of code runs and it says, what the heck is super? I got it super. And it looks up here and it says, oh, Painter Plus extends Painter. So Painter's above it, and that's why Painter Plus gets to do everything Painter can do. So my Painter Plus dot turn left, right? And if they want us to turn right, how many times do you have to turn left to turn right? Well, you'd have to turn left once, twice, 3 times. And I just want to make sure that works. Cool. So now we have the solution. I'm actually going to kill this off, but I'm going to, well, here, I'll cut it, and I'm going to move it over here. All right. So this is going to err on us, but I'll leave it there for now. We need to write a method, and I'm going to follow their syntax here, right? They gave us a great example. And sometimes, guys, I even recommend to students, although it can lead to errors, you could just copy this over too and change it up. It's sometimes really good to write it out yourself, of course, but you can also learn this way, and it can avoid simple errors that don't actually push you to get the concepts entirely. So let's take a look here. Public void my method name. They give us a method name, turn right. So inside the turn right method, all right, turn right. There's my method name. Now, what do they want us to do? They want us to have the ability to turn right. So right here, guys, this is what we know can turn us right. I'll cut that and hit paste. Now, this isn't going to work. This is going to error. And that is because my Painter Plus doesn't exist. My Painter Plus existed over here. We created the object here. We're in the class. Since we are in the class, we don't need this. We have direct access to these methods. Boom, 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 boom. And since we do, boom, we can run this directly. All right. Really what we want to know is this doesn't error out. I don't think it asks 7.2 is where we run it ourselves. So let's just make sure there's no errors. Looking good. Pass the test. Cool. Onward.